Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. You are learning Elastic Container Service. Now, you are aware about most of the ECS terminology like cluster, Fargate, EC2, task definition, task, service, etc. We already discussed about all this theoretically. But now we want to use all this terminology with practical. How we can do this? We are going to deploy one web application inside ECS Cluster, and we are going to use all these facilities provided by ECS. We are going to create cluster, we are going to set up task definition, we are going to set up service, we are going to integrate load balancer with service, we are going to set up auto scaling for the service as well. This is kind of practical implementation of ECS. Let's start our ECS project known as deploying web application on ECS. I'm going to start with project introduction. In this project, we will host a web application on Amazon ECS Fargate. Fargate lets us run containers without managing server, unlike the EC2 launch type. As you know that if you want to host your application inside ECS, the first step is we need to create ECS Cluster. Now ECS Cluster supports two types of infrastructure, Fargate, which is providing serverless facility, or if you want to add your EC2 instance as a container host, you can also add them as a part of your container host. Here we are not going to set up any EC2 instance. We are going to set up this cluster using Fargate, which is actually providing us serverless service. Our app image is already stored in Amazon ECR, and it will also use Amazon S3 for storage. If you want to set up web application inside container, you must have container image. You already created container image in previous video and stored this into the ECR. So we are going to use same image over here. And our application is actually going to store data into the S3. So we will use S3 service as well in this particular project. We will expose the app through the application load balancer and set up auto scaling so it can handle traffic smoothly. In short, whatever we have completed so far about ECS, we are going to implement all of this. Now, how we are going to implement this? This is 100% practical process. So here I have execution plan. We have total 9 steps. Step number 1, we will set up virtual private cloud for our web application. We are always doing everything according to the AWS best practices, and we are going to set up our VPC also as per AWS best practice. Then we will also set up security group. We need to set up 2 security group. One security group is used to protect our application load balancer, and another security group is used to protect our task. Then we will create ECS cluster to integrate application load balancer with our task. We have to set up ALB, application load balancer. We will also verify our ECR image, and we will pull this ECR image from ECR to ECS. We will verify ECS task definition, create ECS Fargate service, enable service auto scaling, and verification of service. In short, 1 to 9. These step-by-step videos will provide you all the details about ECS services. I'm giving you promise once you will perform this particular lab or a project, you will be master of ECS and you can answer any questions related to ECS for sure. Thank you very much. From the next video, we are going to start implementation. Goodbye.